So I have a new parcel today. This one is nakaka-charchara ng mga babae na. Ayan na. It's from Bonita Dirty and Glow Screen. So, 4-in-1 sunscreen moisturizer, primer, and skin firming with SPF 50 PE+++. They're just freebies, but I ordered their signature product, which is the Himalayan pink salt. This one. You see that pink salt? And then there's sunflower collagen firming body oil. Ay naku, ito. So, i-open natin kung hanan-hanan. Itabainin na ako ito sa mga pang order na ako. Sige, sa gusto magpa-order, PM. Ayan. Ay, di magpa-open. Hindi siya magpa-open Murag itago na lang na ako siya. Tago na lang. Sa manghinayang man. Ayan na. Diba? May iyang nalikuan. Suwat na bonita. So, this is legit. Kamote. Murad ako. Yari isa. So, this one is pink. Salt. Himalayan. Pambunita. Ito kayo na isang flower. Kamutan ako ng sunflower. Kamutan yan So far. So, i-try natin yung series. Yun lang. Deep hydration, anti-aging, moisturizer, skin toning, and firming. The sunflower is hydrates and softens skin and moisturizes the skin with natural collagen from vitamin A, helps with uneven skin tone, shield, moisturize, evaporating. Applied after shower or bath as your regular skin, day and night. With SPF 30 sila. So, try natin. Bye!